Hi, Matt Thomas here from News Radio 1080 KRLD, and this week on Eye on Technology, brought to you by the Dallas law firm Munck, Mandala, we're actually speaking with the law firm Jamil Alibhai, a partner with the law firm, discussing with us an infringement case involving a Plano company. This was a very interesting case that the firm was involved in. Kind of give us the basics of what the issue was with regard to some infringement.
So this was a case involving a company based out of Plano called Texas Advanced Optoelectronic Solutions, and they had entered into due diligence talks to be acquired by a company out of California called Intersil. And they exchanged information, and then Intersil decided not to acquire the company. And then soon after the discussions ended, Intersil began introducing products that were based upon Taos's patented technology and the confidential information and trade secrets that Taos had shared with Intersil during those due diligence discussions.
This sounds like it was a pretty clear case, and you can talk a little bit about the court case itself and the evidence of it. But it sounds like this was a pretty blatant, instance of infringement.
Well, you have a company that said that it was not a competitor, and that it thought that these products that our client Taos was making were interesting, that it wanted to acquire the company so that it would have those types of products, and then it comes out with its own products soon after that.
Talk to us a little bit about how long the case went on and that sort of stuff.
So the case lasted a very long time. The lawsuit was initially filed in 2008, and the court had stayed it, so we didn't go to trial until February 2015. And then once the trial began, as you recall, we had some weather problems in Dallas, and they kept shutting our trial down. So overall, it took 4 weeks to try the case. We were in court probably 13 or 14 days out of that time, but it was a 4-week trial.
And what was the result?
The result was an excellent victory for Taos. The jury found in favor of Taos on all 4 claims. We sued for breach of that confidentiality agreement. We sued for trade secret misappropriation, patent infringement, and tortious interference because they went after one of our customers. And so on all 4 claims and all the defenses that have been urged, the jury found in favor of Taos and against Intersil.
This is probably one of those cases that you won't forget for a while.
No, for a lot of reasons, because it's always nice that you can have that day in court and you can actually vindicate a client who firmly believed that what had happened to it was a miscarriage of justice in terms of a company saying that they want to buy them and then all of a sudden competing with them because they're bigger and because they thought they could get away with it. The jury in total awarded, I believe, around $88 million.
Anything else, Jamil, that you'd like to add or point out or highlight here?
Sure. I'd like to point out that with respect to our trial team, Mike Wilson, Michael McCabe, Kelly Chen, that a group of people, who were at trial every day and put together a case that detailed the wrongdoing, and that's why we were successful.
More Eye on Technology segments at cbsdfw.com/Eye on Technology, and be sure to listen to Eye on Technology on News Radio 1080 KRLD every Tuesday at 1:10 and 5:50.